あのジョーカーと別れてクレイジーに悪川覚醒。
Hi, boys.
極悪からダイヤを盗んだ少女を守れ。
Man of Gotham, who's having a good time?
悪対悪の危険度マックスアクション。
I'm the one they should be scared of because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
ハーレイクインの華麗なる覚醒。
Are you Cassandra Cain?
Yeah.
Need to know what. Hold, please.
Harley Quinn.
あのジョーカーと別れてクレイジーに悪川覚醒。
Hi, boys.
極悪からダイヤを盗んだ少女を守れ。
Man of Gotham, who's having a good time?
悪対悪の危険度マックスアクション。
I'm the one they should be scared of because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
ハーレイクインの華麗なる覚醒。
Hey, stay with me for more on DC and in particular its female stars. Margot Robbie did almost all of her own stunts for Suicide Squad, including an elevator fight scene where she literally runs up a wall without even wearing a harness. Now, do you like my t-shirt? You can get one too. Click on the t-shirt link in the description.